The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about Google Fi. So I'm on the website here, and they have a new thing that they launched. It's a phone subscription program for the Pixel 4a. So if you guys want to check this out, a link to this will be down below. So it says here, subscribe and save on Pixel 4a. Join our phone subscription program for just $15 a month. Includes a Pixel 4a with device protection and an upgrade after 2 years. So that is pretty cool. And it says here that you guys can save $133 over 2 years. So pretty cool there. So this is very interesting. So how this subscription works is get a new Pixel 4a, protect your phone, upgrade after 2 years. Pretty simple. So this is get a new Pixel 4a. Get Pixel 4a today at a great monthly price. It comes packed with the things you want most in a phone, like a camera that takes loaded photos, a battery that lasts up to 24 hours, and the new Google Assistant. So let's go ahead and check out the Pixel 4a real quick. Pixel 4a has been out for a while now. So there are two options here. The phone subscription plan is $15 a month, of course. That includes the Pixel 4a, device protection, and phone upgrade after 2 years. If you guys just get the Pixel 4a by itself, it's $14.54 a month, or it's $12.49 for retail price. So yeah. So Pixel 4 has a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, 128 GB of storage, 12.2 megapixel wide angle camera, 8 megapixel front-facing camera, 6 GB of RAM, 3140 mAh battery, Android 10. It has a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. It has HDR support. It has 4K at 30 frames per second, 1080p at 60 frames, and 1080p at 120 frames as well. It has Snapdragon 730, Adreno 618, and a Titan security chip as well. It has USB-C, 18-watt adapter port for USB-C, learn 18-watt fast charging, Wi-Fi, dual-band Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGN, and AC, Bluetooth 5.0 NFC, GPS, GLONASS, and stuff like that. Lots of crap. Okay. They have Android sensor hub, parameter pixel endpoint, and all that good stuff. It has a nice SIM card slot, headphone jack. That's nice. And that's your quick specs for the Pixel 4a. Pretty budget friendly phone. The specs on my phone are really good. The Pixel 4a is a nice phone. The specs are good, and for $349, it's definitely worth picking up. So yeah. Protect your phone. Get device replacement or repair for damage from cracks, spills, and more. Also includes coverage for loss and theft. And also pay attention to this as well. If you choose to not have device protection, you would still be responsible for the subscription cost if something happens to your phone. So do keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and check that out real quick. It takes us here. It says increased coverage with device protection. If you buy a design for phone, when you sign up for Google Fi, you can add Google Fi device protection for coverage in addition to your devices. In addition to your device standing manufacturer's warranty. So they have like a chart here with different devices here. So I take us the monthly charge, pretty nice. So they got a lot of fun in here. So that's pretty nice. It says upgrade after 2 years. Upgrade to renew Pixel after 2 years and continue to earn savings every month on new phone. When you upgrade, the Pixel 4a is yours to keep for no additional cost, of course. That's not more. So the time it says join the Google Fi Frame subscription program for $15 per month. The Google Fi Frame subscription program includes a Pixel 4a, device protection, and a phone upgrade after 2 years. What's included in the subscription program is Pixel 4a at a discounted rate, device protection, protects against accidental damage, loss, or theft, and out of warranty mechanical breakdown. Device protection is optional. Without it, if something happens to your phone, you are still responsible for the subscription cost. Phone upgrade. After 2 years, upgrade to the next phone that's part of the subscription program at its monthly rate. Monthly subscription rate may vary depending on the device upgrade. And to tell you guys how to do it, it's pretty simple. Something must be paid in. Check that out. Buy a phone subscription. So you must pass a credit check, so you must have good credit, I guess, which is interesting. There's also one other thing as well to look at as well, so check these out. Check out these ones too. Do that and check out the plans here. So they have 3 different plans here. So the first subscription plan is for $10 a month, and that includes your Pixel 4a, which is $9 a month. Device protection, which is $6 a month, which is optional, which I suggest you guys get phone insurance anyone upgrade after 2 years, of course. So that's the phone subscription program for $15 a month. Phone web protection, that's $20.54 a month. $14.54 for the Pixel 4a a month, $6 a month for device protection, and you don't have the upgrade option. And if you guys just get the Pixel 4a by itself, it's $14.54 a month, and that does not include device protection or upgrade after 2 years. So to keep that in mind, it says a few more nuts and bolts. Set up within 30 days. Activation with the Google Fi app is quick and easy. Once your phone ships, activate within 30 days to start saving with your phone subscription. So make sure you guys do that. Canceling your subscription. If plans change, you can send the phone back. If plans change, you can send the phone back in the first 15 days. If you cancel after that, you will pay the remainder of your phone at the regular price. So to keep that in mind as well. So yeah, this is pretty interesting and cool at the same time. So Google Fi has a new subscription program for the Pixel 4a. So that's pretty cool. So basically it's $15 a month. That includes the Pixel 4a, device protection, and you guys can upgrade after 2 years. So that is pretty cool. So you're paying a lot for $15. Yeah, so that's pretty cool as well. And also make sure you check out those links. That's what you guys in this video. So check out these links as well. So this is a pretty cool thing, and you guys can save $133 every 2 years. So the Pixel 4a is a budget mid-range smartphone. So for 15 bucks, it's not bad at all. You know, you're getting a lot for 15 bucks. You know, you're getting the Pixel 4a itself, device protection, which is recommended, and you guys get the upgrade after 2 years. So that's pretty cool. So if you guys want to check this out, it's available now at Google Find. So check it out if this interests you. So yeah, this is pretty cool for the Pixel devices. So be sure that don't add more Pixel devices at times. I'm sure they will add more Pixel devices to this. But right now it's a Pixel 4a. I'm surprised it's not a Pixel 5, but the Pixel 4a is not a bad phone either. So you know, check this out if this does interest you. So check it out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you guys smile, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.